Let's see, I replace it. Look, lesser curvature, greater curvature, anterior wall, posterior wall, you can see. Then here it is inlet. Inlet is calling how? Cardiac. Cardiac orifice or cardiac. Then adjacent part of it is calling cardiac part, right? Then above it will be fundus or fornix. Then after that, this part will be the body apparatus. Then outlet, pyloric part. Pyloric part has again orifice. This orifice will be pylorus or ostium pyloricum. It consists of two portions. Look, there is a canal, canalis pylorus, and the antrum. Antrum is a calling. Now, at the place of pylorus, what we have here? It is valvula. Let's wait a little. So valvula is forming by the mucous membrane, okay? Valvula, mucous and submucous participating. And also by the circular muscular cord is forming here that musculus sphincter. You're right, sphincter of the pylorus. Now, my dear, let's open it. Like this. Look. So nice, of course. This one, let's replace it because it is removing a little bit. At the place of, just a minute, let's listen to me. At the place of lesser curvature, here is located longitudinal folds, which are during contraction, they form a canals, as you remember. These canals will be Valdeir's gastric roads. Okay, Valdeir's main gastric road. Now, other ones, they are folds, right, you're right. So these are the Blitze. Look, Blitze, this fold. Blitze, gastrice. And next to the Blitze, this area is calling area, area gastrice. You see, my dear? Area gastrice. And then inside of area are opened what? Foveole pits. Foveole gastrice. And last structure by the mucosa which is forming will be the valve. Valvula pylorica, fourth one. You understand? At the outlet, as you remember here, just only present chief cells. You memorize those cells. Chief cells, which are producing pepsinogen in active form of a ferment, which is by the affection of HCl, it converted into the pepsin. Okay, HCl. Producing by the parietal cells. Now, let's see next one. Next one is duodenum coming. By the way, here duodenum we can see. Its beginning is calling how? Bulb of it, right? Its beginning calling bulb. You can see it is all completely smooth without anything. But other parts, they have a circularly running folds, okay? Here there are present two kinds of papillas. Look, we have one, look here, longitudinally running fold, and on this longitudinal, let's listen, on this longitudinal fold there are present, look, papilla, this one, greater papilla and the lesser papilla. On the greater papilla are opening two of ducts, okay? It is main pancreatic duct and the common bile duct. Come close to each other, they connect each other, they form an ampulla, as you remember here. Look, I'm showing this place. So main pancreatic duct together with the common pancreatic at the place level of a pancreas connect each other. And look how well visible. This one is a greater papilla. Here, by the way, circular muscular layer well developed and it forms an Oddi sphincter, sphincter of Oddi. Understand?
Where is the lesser papilla?
Lesser papilla above it. Look, this pronounced part, and here is opened. It is above, by the way. Here is opened this accessory pancreatic duct. Accessory pancreatic duct. Now, my dear, we can see also pancreas. Today is our lesson. Look, it is pancreas. There is a head of it, body of it, and a tail of it. Okay. Here, pancreas. Here behind of it, there is duct is visible. Look, it is duct. It is common bile duct, by the way. So, it is it. Let's understand what else she gave us. This one. Yes, it is intestine.
Small.
Intestine, no. No, why not large? How? Which intestine? Small intestine. Can you tell me the part of a small intestine? Because you can
Duodenum,
recognize.
jejunum, and ileum.
How? So it is not a duodenum, of course, can't be duodenum,
Yes.
right? How? What is it? Of course, jejunum. Jejunum, because what we can see here, folds are what? Higher. They are closely located each other. Okay. Here they are higher, closely located each other.
Where is the
Villi, you can like a feel here. It is like a velvety. Villi are not visible. You can't see villi. They are microscopically, of course, are visible. Microscopically visible. Okay, but here we see macroscopically. We are revising macroscopically, my dear. Now let's see. This another part. So she gave us what is it? The look. It is angle. Look, ileocecal angle. Do you see here? And what we have here, this, of course, cecum, we can see cecum. And after cecum, there is ascending part of a colon. There is visible, look, tenia. You can see tenia. Look, it is tenia coli, and there are three types of tenia, as you remember. Tenia libera, then mesocolica, aumentalis. And from a medial inferior angle started that vermiform process, right? It is vermiform process. Here we can see ending part of ileum, and inside of ileum, my dear, I show you here present that, look, here visible, it is Baer's patches. You see? Baer patches. This one, it is accumulation of lymphoid tissue, okay?
It's just in ileum.
It is on the ileum. Yes, just in ileum is present. What is that one? Yes. As you remember, look, there are present both of it, okay? And solitary lymph follicles and accumulation. So accumulation we can see here as a Baer's patches. Now we can continue. Here this ending part of ileum coming, okay? And it forms a sphincter, my dear. Let's I show you. Here, look. It is place of a valve, by the way, valvula ileocecalis, and at the valvula ileocecalis here present sphincter, musculus sphincter ileocecalis, and this valve consists of two lips, as you understand. Look, let's see these two lips. It is labium inferior, labium superior, and here there are present, look, there are frenulums, frenulum anterior, frenulum posterior, okay? When contentment is coming, okay, it is closing, and it is closing here. There is a heavy substance, of course. These frenulum are stretching, and valves are closing, okay, like in this way. But of course, there is a working sphincter. There is present musculus sphincter, which has that two types of innervation, okay, parasympathetic, sympathetic. Now, my dear, let's see other. Outside, we can see haustras. This haustra there was visible. These protrusions. Look, haustra. And also fatty containing those protrusions, fatty containing. They are, look, appendices epiploids. Understand? Appendices epiploids. Like this. But inside, we can see, look, semilunar folds. So these are the semilunar folds. Plica semilunaris. When we compare with the, look, small intestine, what is forming here in the small intestine? There is a mucosa, submucosa. That's it. Right? It means outside, no any folds we can see. But here, they are visible because information of fold participate all kind of that layers of a wall. Understand? It means muscular participating here. That's why outside they are visible. Look, the levels of folds are visible. You can see this. You understand difference?
Yes.
Okay, good. Here. Now, let's see next.
The folds in ileum.
Of course,
There's
ending
no
part.
fold.
There is approximately no fold. Look, there are this one, like this one, this one, this. Some of the folds remaining, and here there is a jejunum. You understand? Differences.
This is from the inside, yes?
From inside, of course, I am showing you. So, which surface we can discuss?